page 136, exercise B, and page 137, exercises C and D, a guided tour of the British Museum.
Please gather around. The tour is about to begin. First of all, I would like to welcome you to the British Museum. We are one of the largest museums in the world, with over 8 million objects from human culture from the past to the present. Please remember to follow all the museum rules. No food or drink and so on. Are there any questions before we get started on our tour?
Yes. When you say objects from human culture, what do you mean?
What I mean is there are objects that people have used throughout history, from the clothes ancient Egyptians such as King Tut wore to a samurai helmet used in Japan in the 16th century. These are all objects that humans have used at some time in history. Any other questions? Okay, then let's begin our tour. We'll start in this room, which has objects from ancient Persia. Cyrus the Great started the first Persian Empire in the 6th century BC. It was a large and powerful kingdom. Before he was king, there were many wars and many people died. In the center of the room is the Cyrus cylinder. King Cyrus created this in 539 BC. It is a clay tablet with writing on it. On the cylinder, King Cyrus wrote information about the life and the laws in his kingdom. Many people say that Cyrus was the first leader to write about human rights. Are there any questions so far?
Yes, I have one. What kind of human rights did he write about?
Good question. On the cylinder, Cyrus tells the people not to be afraid because in his new kingdom they can live together in peace. He wrote that people from different cultures and religions were welcome and all should live in peace together. He was a very wise man, and his cylinder, the Cyrus cylinder, is an amazing treasure. Are there any more questions?
Yes, when was the Cyrus cylinder found?
An archaeologist, Hormuzd Rassam, found the cylinder in 1879 in Mesopotamia. The British Museum acquired it in 1880. This ancient treasure from thousands of years ago is something that we can learn from, even today. If you would like more information on the Cyrus cylinder, the gift shop has an excellent book about it. Moving on to this next room.